Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a mockup on Kittl. The first thing you want to do once on Kittl.com, you're going to create an account if you don't have one as yet. After you have created your account, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can choose what type of design you would like to create. For example, let's say you would like to create a hat design. You could select hats, or you could go over to the top left hand corner and hover over templates, and you can see different templates that you can choose from, or different products better yet. After doing that, you can scroll down and you can see different templates that you can select. So let's say this one. After selecting the particular template that you would like to use, you will be redirected to the editor page. On the editor page, you can add in your own touches. So for example, you could change the text. So instead of it saying never give up, I can type in, for example, time is the master. You can type that in right there. So let me do that real quick. So I can select that and I could change the text. After doing that, you could also change the background color if you want, or you can change the text color. You can see it right there. So we could change the text color by tapping on color from the right hand column. And let's say, for example, I were to change this color to a red shade. You can see how it looks right there. And if we were to create the mock-up, you can tap on mock-up from the top right hand column. So you'll simply tap on mock-up right here and you'll be redirected to a new page. And you can choose what you would like to add your mock-up on, whether it is a t-shirt, or by going over to the left hand column, I could type in cap, and from there I could select cap, and then I can select the type of mockup image that I'd like to add it on. So let's say this one, and you can see how it looks. So you can select whichever type of image you would like to add your mockup on. So if I would like to add it on a hoodie, I could select hoodies. Then from there I could select the mockup that I would like to add it on. Then I can simply pull and place it, and you can see how it looks. We could also change the mock-up color by tapping on color in the top right hand column right there. You could change the color of it if you want. Once everything is to your liking, you can tap on download and you'll be able to download the mock-up. Now if I were to tap on it, you can see how the mock-up image looks right there. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.